Hi there. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explain how agents can exchange referrals in the Handshake app. If you haven't set up your profile yet, be sure to check out the other videos in this series on our YouTube channel. Handshake was founded to make exchanging agent-to-agent referrals faster, easier, and cheaper to the best agents anywhere in the United States. Say goodbye to wasting your time with random solicitations in Facebook groups, researching agents online, and waiting to hear back from referral partners. Instead, the Handshake app allows you to connect with experienced local agents to make it easier and faster to find great partners and minimize referral fumbles. In this video, we're going to explain the difference between our best match and best 3 matching options when creating a handshake. When you're ready to initiate a handshake, select Handshake from the home screen. On the next screen, confirm your intent by clicking the button Get Started. Then let us know what your referral will be doing: buying, selling, or both. Next, you'll be asked to select whether you'd like to screen 1 or up to 3 agents. Our best match option uses an algorithm to help you find the best partner in the area. If you'd rather match with more than 1 agent, you can select the Best 3 button to find multiple agents you'll be able to screen once you're matched. Next up, indicate the city you need referral assistance in and click the Continue button. And finally, on the additional information page, you can include your preferred referral fee for the customer, their projected timeline to move, estimated budget, and any notes about the customer's preferences or reasons for purchase. Once you select Find Me a Best Match, we do the work of matching you to potential partners in the desired city. The information you've submitted about your customer will be shared with matched agents who can then decide if they would like to accept or decline your referral. And don't worry, just because you've initiated a handshake doesn't mean you have to work with matched agents. When requesting a referral, you ultimately decide who you partner with. In our next video, we'll unpack how matched agents can view your handshake request, accept or decline your request, and how you can screen matched agents before sharing customer contact info. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy connecting, and we'll see you in the next video.